nanonood ng Nag-iisang Kababayan today. This is your premier resource for anything and everything Filipino and Filipino-Americans. Of course, hot topic these days is healthcare. And it's not just here in California, it's all over. In fact, even our kababayans in Hawaii are talking about that. Joining us via Skype this afternoon is Miss Rose Chirma of the Philcom Center in Honolulu. And she will talk to us today about their Kinabukasan series. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Miss Rose. Aloha.
Magandang hapon din, Janelle.
Let me first tell our viewers, we featured Miss Rose giving us a tour of the Philcom Center. Miss Rose, I am such a fan of yours. You are the leader, the pillar behind Philcom Center, and I just love how you run things at Philcom Center. Thank you so much for your service to the Kababayans.
We enjoyed having you here, Janelle, and we can't wait for you to come back.
Sana po, soon. All right,
yeah.
we'll talk about your Kinabukasan series. What's going to happen on November 5?
November 5 is the resumption of our Kinabukasan series where we will be talking about the new healthcare law. We have a speaker from the AARP who will explain to our community what are the requirements of this new law because it takes effect next year, January of 2014.
Marami go ahead, Ms. Rose.
Kasi ang balita ko, kailangan lahat tayo meron ng policy, hindi ba? Healthcare policy. Maraming kababayan dito na wala silang healthcare policy. Kaya gusto namin pumunta sila dito para matutuhan nila kung bakit kailangan silang mag-sign up.
Yes, pag-usapan po natin yan. Pinag-usapan namin yan dito sa California, yung kalusugan ng ating mga kababayan. A lot of our kababayans, they don't like going to the doctor. They don't like getting prescription. They like to self-medicate. Ms. Rose, ganyan din po ba ang kaugalian ng ating mga kababayan sa Hawaii?
Bago ako pumunta dito, binabasa ko nga meron kami isang parang survey about Filipinos here in Hawaii. And ito po talagang problema kasi medyo we have high cases of or we're prone to heart disease, for example, our men. And then we have also high cases of smokers still. And we're also prone to diabetes. Kaya we have to really figure out how to prevent these kinds of diseases from happening to us. And so I'm hoping that our kababayan will come so that then they will also understand that part of signing up for a policy is also figuring out what will be preventive ways so that then they don't get the disease,
Right.
That is the more important one.
And it is important to have a policy. In fact, sinasabi nga nila, yun nga mga kotse, ang bahay, ini-insure natin. What more, our health, no, Ms. Rose?
Oo, maganda nga ang concept yun. Kailangan pati tayo naka-insure kasi so sometimes it can be very, very expensive if you have some, major disease and then you don't have coverage. Yung iba nga na isasangla ang mga bahay, ganyan. Kaya nga meron tayong itong bagong law na ito para at least lahat tayo covered na pag yung major health care or major surgery, meron tayong coverage.
All right. And so what's going to happen? You mentioned there's a representative from AARP. Is this a free event for our kababayans? Can anyone go? Who do you suggest should go to this event?
We suggest for all, particularly those who don't have any coverage or those who have children or small business so that they can understand what the repercussions are. It is going to be on Tuesday, November 5. It starts at 6 and it ends at 8, and it's free. It's open to the public. We are open to all, whether you're Filipinos or non-Filipinos. We're really for everybody.
Really a wonderful service to the community. Thank you so much, Ms. Rose Chirma, and thank you to Philcom Center for putting up these wonderful, informative, entertaining events for our kababayans there in Hawaii.
Maraming salamat din, Janelle, and I hope to see you soon.
Yes, mahalo and aloha to you.
Okay.
That was Ms. Rose Chirma ng Philcom Center in Hawaii para po dun sa kababayans natin joining us on Kiku Network. Don't forget, that's a good service, that's free, and healthcare law right now, it's so confusing, it seems so complicated, but when you go to that event, for sure it will be explained and you will have your choices laid out to you as well. Meanwhile, when we return on Kababayan today, we have more for you. Don't go away.